Hi guys, this is Jason. I know that Mid-Autumn Festival is coming. That's a traditional festival in China. Family members will come home from all over the country for reunion. And after the big dinner, people usually eat a mooncake while enjoying the moon. And I hope all of you guys can enjoy that festival too. Thank you.
中秋节快乐，国庆节快乐。
Happy Mid-Autumn Festival.
Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you the Chinese Mid-Autumn Festival. The Mid-Autumn Festival falls on the August 15th of the lunar calendar. It's a time for family reunion. And on this day, everyone enjoys the full moon and eats the mooncakes. 在这个合家团圆的日子里，祝大家中秋节快乐 ！Happy Moon's Day to the Oxbridge!
What's up, everyone? This is Bruce, and today I'm going to introduce you guys a legend behind the Mid-Autumn Festival. As the legend goes, in the distant past, there was a beauty woman called Chang'e, and her husband Hou Yi was a brilliant archer. At the time, there were 10 suns in the sky, and the people on Earth were living in the blistering heat. To save the Earth, Hou Yi used his bow and arrow to shoot down 9 of the suns. Hou Yi was respected as a national hero and received an elixir of immortality as a reward for saving the people from the heat of the multiple suns. However, the elixir only had enough for one person, and both Chang'e and Hou Yi didn't want to leave each other. One day, one of the Hou Yi students tried to steal the elixir when he wasn't at home. In order to protect the elixir from his student, Chang'e took the magic elixir of immortality. Then she flew to the moon and became the moon goddess, leaving her husband behind. Alone on Earth, Hou Yi missed his wife so much that he made an offering to the moon and tried to find the shape of Chang'e on the moon. To remember Chang'e, Chinese people worship the moon by eating fruit and a moon-shaped dessert called mooncake. This is the legend of the origin of the Mid-Autumn Festival.
Hi everyone, it's Amy, and for this Thursday, the 1st of October, it's the Mid-Autumn Festival Day. It's a very traditional festival in Chinese culture, and for that day, the family are gathering together, enjoying the mooncake, and then watching the roundest moon. And for here, I will say Happy Mid-Autumn Festival Day, and then may the round moon bring you a happy family and a bright future.
Hey, this is Zheng Junjia, and you know me as Kevin. Let's learn some Chinese. If you want to say Happy Mid-Autumn Festival, you can say 中秋节快乐. If you want to say mooncake, you can say 月饼. If you want to say reunion, you can say 团圆. Thank you all for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the Mid-Autumn Festival.
月有阴晴圆缺。